Cinnamon, derived from the inner bark of trees scientifically known as Cinnamomum, is a cherished spice with a rich historical legacy. Its use as a culinary ingredient traces back to ancient civilizations, including the esteemed culture of ancient Egypt. This aromatic spice has maintained its significance across generations, proving its enduring appeal and versatile applications in various cultures and cuisines. The process of making cinnamon involves cutting the stems of cinnamon trees, extracting the inner bark, and removing the woody components. Once dried, the bark forms strips that naturally curl into rolls, commonly known as cinnamon sticks. These sticks can then be ground into cinnamon powder. The distinctive aroma and flavor of cinnamon are attributed to the presence of a highly concentrated compound called cinnamaldehyde found in its oily part. So without further ado, let's discuss the benefit of cinnamon tea if you drink it every day. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Cinnamon tea is notably rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in supporting overall health. Antioxidants are compounds that help counteract the harmful effects of free radicals in the body. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can lead to cellular damage and contribute to various chronic diseases. Cinnamon is particularly abundant in polyphenols, a class of antioxidants known for their potent health-promoting properties. These polyphenols, such as catechins and procyanidins, work to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Number 2. Improve cold symptoms. The spice contains compounds with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that may help alleviate symptoms associated with the common cold. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, easing congestion and promoting clearer breathing. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties may aid in fighting off infections or viruses that contribute to cold symptoms. The warm liquid can also soothe a sore throat, providing comfort and temporary relief. Moreover, cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which can support the immune system's response to infections. Number 3. Promotes heart health. The active compounds in cinnamon, particularly cinnamaldehyde and cinnamic acid, have been associated with beneficial effects on blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Studies have suggested that regular consumption of cinnamon may contribute to a reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, which in turn lowers the risk of heart-related issues. Additionally, cinnamon has shown promise in improving lipid profiles by lowering total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. These lipid-modulating effects are pivotal in reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and coronary artery disease. Moreover, cinnamon's antioxidant properties play a role in reducing oxidative stress, a factor implicated in cardiovascular diseases. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cinnamon tea's ability to regulate blood sugar levels stems from its unique bioactive compounds, particularly cinnamaldehyde, which has been the subject of several studies. When consumed, these compounds mimic the effects of insulin, the hormone responsible for transporting glucose into cells. This means that cinnamon can enhance the sensitivity of cells to insulin, facilitating the uptake of glucose from the bloodstream. This effect is particularly crucial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. By improving insulin sensitivity, cinnamon tea may contribute to better blood sugar control, helping to prevent dangerous spikes or drops. This can be immensely beneficial in managing diabetes and reducing the associated risks of complications. Number 5. May promote weight loss. One of the key ways it may promote weight loss is through its impact on blood sugar levels. Cinnamon contains compounds that can improve insulin sensitivity, enhancing the body's ability to regulate glucose. This, in turn, helps stabilize blood sugar levels and reduces the likelihood of sudden spikes and crashes. By maintaining steady blood sugar, cinnamon tea can contribute to reduced cravings for sugary or high-calorie foods, aiding in overall calorie control. Additionally, this spice may increase feelings of fullness and satisfaction after meals, potentially leading to a decrease in overall calorie intake. Number 6. Good for your skin. The antioxidants found in cinnamon tea help combat oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to premature aging and skin damage. By neutralizing free radicals, these antioxidants help protect skin cells from harm and promote a youthful complexion. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamon can assist in reducing redness, swelling, and irritation, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with inflammatory skin conditions like acne or rosacea. Cinnamon also possesses natural antimicrobial properties that can help fight off bacteria and fungi on the skin's surface. This can be especially advantageous in preventing and treating minor skin infections or blemishes. Additionally, cinnamon's potential to improve blood circulation may enhance the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to skin cells, aiding in their regeneration and overall vitality. Number 7. Fights fungus and bacteria. The active compounds found in cinnamon, particularly cinnamaldehyde, have been shown to exhibit potent antimicrobial properties. Studies have indicated that cinnamaldehyde can inhibit the growth of various types of fungi, including Candida, a common fungal infection in humans. Additionally, cinnamon's antibacterial properties have been demonstrated against a range of pathogenic bacteria, such as E. coli and Salmonella. These properties may be attributed to the ability of cinnamon to disrupt the cell membranes of these microorganisms, ultimately leading to their suppression. Number 8. Improves cognitive function. This effect is primarily attributed to the presence of certain bioactive compounds in cinnamon, such as cinnamaldehyde and epicachin. These compounds have been studied for their neuroprotective properties, which may help shield brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, cinnamon may play a role in enhancing blood flow to the brain, ensuring a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients crucial for optimal cognitive performance. Some research suggests that these properties may contribute to improved memory retention and overall cognitive function. Number 9. May reduce menstrual cramps and other PMS symptoms. Cinnamon contains natural compounds, including cinnamaldehyde and eugenol, which possess anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. These properties may help alleviate the discomfort and pain associated with menstrual cramps. Additionally, cinnamon's ability to regulate blood flow and reduce inflammation can contribute to a smoother menstrual cycle. Moreover, the tea's soothing warmth can provide a comforting effect, potentially easing mood swings and irritability often experienced during PMS. It's worth noting that while cinnamon tea can be a helpful natural remedy, individual responses may vary, and it should not replace any prescribed medical treatments. And that's the end of the video. As always, if you have any health concerns, it's essential to seek advice from a professional healthcare provider. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.